Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalaka and I create videos on a lot of different topics, so please do check out my more videos if you enjoy my content. Welcome to my another pregnancy related video. Now this video is basically like a look back on my first trimester. When I was in my first trimester, I wasn't really allowed to shoot. I was allowed to shoot, but I used to have so much of nausea and I was all over the place. I was just adapting to the new pregnancy and I didn't know what to do, so I did not shoot as many as videos back then. So I decided why not do like a sit and chat kind of a video wherein I'll also update you guys about what happened with me in my first trimester, throughout my first trimester, and how I was feeling and what all things happened and how I'm feeling now. So basically this is a looking back kind of a video on my first trimester. Also can say this is a pregnancy update. So for those of you who don't know, I'm currently in my 19 weeks of pregnancy and I have like passed almost the second trimester, also midway. So I decided why not do this video. So I got to know I was pregnant on the 15th of August 2020, and soon after that I was so happy to share this news with Akash and then of course with our families. So the first thing I did after I told Akash was we told our families. So only back then both of our families knew and we kept our little secret till my second trimester had begun. So basically we did not want to disclose anything that early because of our past experience as well, and we decided to take it very slow, easy and calm at that time. We decided to not get super excited about thing and jinx it. So I did not tell a lot of people, only family members knew. So once I was done with that, the second thing I did was I took an appointment of my gynac. And over the video call I had a chat with her. I told her that I was expecting again, and she asked me when I had she asked me basic routine questions like when I got my last period and how I was feeling and what other symptoms I had. So it was very soon. Back then it was only like I had been pregnant for 4 weeks. It was very soon for me to find out. So yeah, then she told me to do a beta HCG test. Now this test is generally done to see the HCG levels rising in your blood. They should rise every 24 hours, I guess. They should double actually every 24 hours. So we got the test done. I had a guy come and pick up my blood sample, and then we got the reports the other day. I was very nervous for the reports as well. So because it was too soon, so I was just waiting, and once the reports came in, my gynac confirmed my pregnancy via a blood test. So then she told me different medications which I had to start. She gave me folate supplements. Also she gave me some progesterone, and she gave me some supplements for my progesterone as well. So soon after that I was advised by her to not do any physical work. I was advised complete bed rest. I was also advised that not to travel and to have good full meals, but that was impossible during my first trimester because of my peaking nausea and morning sickness at that point of time. So it was very difficult to have full meals, but still my doctor had told me that it is very necessary for me to eat. There should be some food in my stomach, so I had to eat anyways. So that was one difficult part which I had to face. So soon after that we had this Ganesh Puja at our place. I guess that was on the 22nd. I just found out on the 15th, and on the 22nd or 23rd I guess we had the Ganesh Puja. So we had Ganesh Ji like for almost 10 days at our place, and after that was done, my doctor advised me to come in for my first ultrasound in the first week of September, because it was still very soon to see anything in the ultrasound. By that time I was 6 weeks pregnant. So that we'll go and do a ultrasound after we are done with our Ganesh Visarjan. So I guess that we got done on the 22nd, on the 2nd or the 3rd. I don't really remember the date. So after that was done, the first thing we did was we went in for our ultrasound. Till that time I was taking complete rest, not complete rest because of the puja of course, but I kept myself busy, but I also paid attention, full attention to my body and what it needs. I kept myself on liquid diets if I could not like eat a lot of food. So that's what I did, and then on this 3rd of September I went in for my ultrasound. So in this first ultrasound basically they check the heartbeat of the baby, for the heartbeat of the baby, which we did not find in our last ultrasound. So I was pretty nervous for this one, but I had still prepared myself very well. I was trying to stay as much as positive as I could. Even Akash was always by my side and he kept on saying all these positive things to me. So after that, when I went in for my ultrasound, my mom and Akash, we three of us had went in for the ultrasound on the 3rd, and the doctor came in and he was checking me for approximately 12 to 14 minutes. And while in the like 4 to 5 minutes I completely like kept on asking him, is everything okay, is the baby fine? And he just kept on saying that wait, please wait, I'll have to check for it, just wait and all. So after like 5-6 minutes he told me that we'll have to do an internal scan, that is we'll have to do an ultrasound through your vagina, because it was too soon for anything to be like seen. He was not getting anything like from the one he was doing it upon my belly. So then I went in for my internal one, and in that he could see the baby clearly. And then he told me that I kept on asking him like literally, ki sab theek hai kya, is everything okay, is everything okay? And then he was like, yeah, everything is fine, the baby is normal. And when he said that, I was so relieved, because all this time also while being positive I had like so many negative thoughts going on in my mind. And I was so curious to know like the baby is fine. I just wanted a doctor to confirm it, yeah, that yes, the baby is fine at this moment, at this time. So yeah, he said that and I was very relieved. But he just said that, and then I had to come out of the ultrasound room. So I assumed that there was no heartbeat, and it was too soon also for a heartbeat, because it was already, because I was just 6 weeks and 3 days pregnant at that time, I guess. So I thought that maybe we'll come in next week, and then we could find a heartbeat. So I went out, and Akash and mom were just waiting to know if everything is fine. So I told them that yes, the doctor has told me that everything looks normal, the baby is fine. But he did not make me hear any heartbeat, so I think there's no heartbeat yet. Maybe we'll have to come in like the next time. And I was feeling a little low, but then this nurse walks in and she starts talking to my mom, and she starts telling her that everything seems pretty normal, everything seems pretty normal, everything is cool. And then I happened to ask her whether I have to come in next week for my ultrasound again, because he did not make me hear any heartbeat. So I assumed that there's no heartbeat. So she was like, no, there's a very clear heartbeat. The heartbeat is 121. And when she said that, Akash and I, we just looked at each other and we knew that we were just waiting to hear this. And we were so happy. So yeah, we were just holding hands, and Akash was like literally in tears, because we got to hear what we wanted to hear all this while. So yeah, then we went to my gynac. I showed her all my ultrasound reports, and she too confirmed that everything was looking pretty normal by that time. Then I had to go in for my next ultrasound at my 12 weeks appointment. That is almost when I complete my 3 months. So yeah, then I came home. She had advised me a lot of medicines, but the same thing happened. I was feeling very tired throughout my like first trimester. I was like not having any energy to do any sort of homework or like household work or my YouTube or anything at all. So I used to just lie in the bed and just crave some things and just have them and just go to sleep. That's what was my routine basically. So yeah, the first 3 months were pretty hard for me, but then time went by and I started to feel like a little better in around my 11th week of pregnancy. And when I went in for my ultrasound again, the doctor again confirmed that everything is fine. I saw like literally the baby moving in there for the very first time, and I heard the heartbeat at that time as well. So for me it was a very special moment. I came out, I was so happy, and I started to tell Akash, and I was so out of breath. I was so out of breath at that time, and I was just telling him that I saw I don't know, we have it in our head, but we call the baby her. We just think that it's a girl. I don't know why I have this great intuition that it's a girl. So it's like I saw her like tiny fingers, and she was moving them, and I could hear a heartbeat also that time, because I forced the doctor literally to like make me hear the heartbeat. So yeah, that happened. After my 12-week scan, everything was pretty normal. So then my doctor switched me to my iron and calcium supplements, and I guess the progesterone had gone till that time, so I did not need any progesterone anymore. So then we decided to move out of our old house and move in here into our new place. We wanted to do it like right after 3 months, because like in the 4th month starting, because once my belly and I would start to get bigger, I thought that it would be very difficult for me to move around things. So we had that decision made quite quick, and then we moved from there. Also during that period of time, Akash met with an accident, and he damaged his collarbone, so that also had to be taken care of. But everything else, physically, emotionally, I was in a very better place once I started to enter my 2nd trimester. Now some people say that the 2nd trimester starts from the 12th week. Some also assume it starts from the 13th, 14th week. But basically first 3 months are very crucial. So I took good care of myself at that time and the baby. And after that we just moved in here. And once I began with my 2nd trimester, things have been pretty good. So that was like a full brief of my 1st trimester and what had happened. It was a wonderful experience. It was not a good timing in the sense because we moved out and Akash had met with an accident, and we had all these pujas and everything going on. But it was the best feeling. Also, I was not feeling my best, but to know that I have a baby inside me and I'm creating a little tiny human being was so exciting that I kept hope, and things were looking like pretty real this time because of all the symptoms. I had like major symptoms. I had morning sickness, I had nausea, though I puked like almost only 5 to 6 times in my 1st trimester, but just the feeling that you need to throw up is way worst. And I had like crazy nightmares. I couldn't sleep also in my 1st trimester. So basically that were all the symptoms. And now I am here in my 2nd trimester and making this video for you guys. So I guess that was a full update about my 1st trimester, how things went by, how things happened. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If your experience is somewhere close to mine, please comment down. I would love to hear it out and talk to you. If you enjoy and engage with the content I create, please consider subscribing to my channel, like and share the video. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.